Frisco window contractors are your go-to experts for all your home window services in Frisco. Whether you need window installation, window replacement, or window maintenance, our team of professionals is ready to assist. In addition to windows, we also specialize in entry doors Frisco homeowners trust to enhance curb appeal and security. We specialize in energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and custom windows to enhance your home's comfort and style. Our Frisco window contractors are experienced in handling vinyl windows, sliding windows, bay windows, and casement windows, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Window glass replacement in Frisco is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our Frisco window installations ervices include window frame installation and window sealing to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. We offer window caulking and window weatherproofing to protect your home from the elements. Our Frisco window glass replacement services ensure that your windows are clear, secure, and energy efficient. Frisco energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our selection of Frisco double-pane windows and vinyl windows Frisco provides excellent insulation and noise reduction. We offer custom windows Frisco to match your home's unique style and architecture. Our Frisco window upgrades include window tinting and window glazing to enhance energy efficiency and privacy. Window styles in Frisco are diverse, offering options to suit any home design. From traditional to modern, our Frisco window styles include bay windows Frisco, casement windows Frisco, and sliding windows Frisco. We provide window measurements Frisco to ensure a perfect fit for your new or replacement windows. Our Frisco window hardware and window screens Frisco add functionality and security to your windows. Entry door installation Frisco complements our window services, providing a cohesive look for your home's exterior. Our entry doors Frisco are available in various styles and materials to match your windows and enhance curb appeal. We offer Frisco window maintenance services to keep your windows and doors in top condition, ensuring longevity and performance. Window insulation and window sealing are crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our Frisco window sealing services include window caulking and weatherproofing to prevent air leaks and improve energy efficiency. We offer window tinting Frisco to reduce glare and protect your interiors from UV damage. Our window glazing Frisco services enhance the thermal performance of your windows. Frisco window frame installation is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our window contractors in Frisco provide expert window frame installation and window glass replacement to restore your windows to their original condition. We offer window upgrades Frisco to improve functionality and aesthetics, including window hardware and window screens Frisco. Home window services Frisco cover all aspects of window care, from installation to maintenance. Our Frisco window contractors are skilled in handling all types of windows, including energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and custom windows. We provide window measurements Frisco to ensure a perfect fit and offer window styles Frisco to match your home's design. Frisco window contractors offer top-notch window installation and window replacement services, ensuring your home is equipped with the best energy-efficient windows. We also provide professional installation of entry doors Frisco residents rely on for durability and style. Whether you need double-pane windows or vinyl windows, our home window services in Frisco provide a wide range of options to suit your needs. Custom windows Frisco are designed to fit any style, offering both aesthetic appeal and functionality. For those looking to enhance their home's energy efficiency, Frisco energy-efficient windows are the perfect solution. Our Frisco double-pane windows and window insulation services help reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Window sealing and window caulking in Frisco further enhance your home's energy efficiency by preventing drafts and leaks. Frisco window maintenance is essential for keeping your windows in top condition. Our window upgrades Frisco services include window weatherproofing and window glazing to protect against the elements. Regular window maintenance ensures longevity and optimal performance of your windows, whether they are sliding windows, bay windows, or casement windows. Window glass replacement and window frame installation in Frisco are crucial for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our Frisco window glass replacement services ensure clear, undistorted views, while window frame installation Frisco addresses any structural issues. With our expertise, your windows will look and function like new. Frisco window styles are diverse, offering options like sliding windows Frisco, bay windows Frisco, and casement windows Frisco. Each style provides unique benefits, from maximizing natural light to enhancing ventilation. Our window measurements Frisco services ensure a perfect fit for any window style you choose. Window hardware and window screens Frisco are essential components of any window system. Our Frisco window hardware services include installation and installation of locks, handles, and hinges, while window screens Frisco provide protection against insects and debris. For added privacy and UV protection, consider our Frisco window tinting services. Entry door installation Frisco complements our window services, providing a cohesive look for your home's exterior. Our entry doors Frisco are available in various styles and materials, ensuring a perfect match for your home's aesthetic. Trust our Frisco window contractors for all your home window services and entry door needs. Window upgrades Frisco include advanced options like window tinting and window glazing Frisco, which enhance both the appearance and functionality of your windows. Our Frisco window caulking services ensure a tight seal, preventing air and water infiltration. With our comprehensive window services, your home will be both beautiful and energy efficient. Vinyl windows Frisco are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance. Our Frisco vinyl windows offer excellent insulation properties, making them an ideal choice for energy-efficient homes. Whether you're looking for new installations or window installation services Frisco, our team is here to help. Frisco window sealing and window weatherproofing services protect your home from the elements, ensuring comfort and energy efficiency. Along with expert window solutions, we install and service entry doors Frisco homeowners choose for added protection and visual appeal. Our window contractors in Frisco are skilled in all aspects of window maintenance, from window measurements Frisco to window hardware installation.